Google Maps allows you to enter latitude and longitude coordinates to find exact location.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.
This is useful for places without formal addresses, such as hiking trails, remote areas, or hidden landmarks. So, simply go to any web browser and search for the Google Map in the search address bar. Then simply tap on the Google Maps option available at the top and make sure you are logged into your Google Map account. Now, once inside the Google Map, you can simply tap on any area. First of all, let's take a longitude and latitude from any area. Tap on it and you can see there is a latitude longitude number provided. So all you have to do is copy it. Make sure to copy the whole pin and now remove it. Again, all you have to do is tap on this search address bar, and if you need to find that area again, now simply tap on the search address bar and paste the latitude longitude you copied just before in the correct format. Then press enter and Google Map will drop a red pin at the entered coordinates. You can then zoom in out for details.